My farm's name is Green Apron. I started it about 7 years ago. So I set up a small farm on my terrace. And the first mushroom I grew was shiitake. At that point of time, I was, amazed to see that, there are research institutes in India that are working on mushrooms that are not easily available in the market. And I was very curious on how to grow these mushrooms. So I learned shiitake cultivation through a training course in a research institute in India and also watching YouTube videos. Then I was very curious as to see whether the shiitake I have is of good quality at par with what was being imported because it was not available locally and it was all being imported. When I took the mushroom to chefs and they were very happy to see the quality. They were very happy saying, oh, you've grown it in Bangalore and the quality is so good. I set up 2 farms in 2019 and from then to now we have been just scaling up. And now we grow about 10 varieties of mushrooms. The farm is still small. I need to grow more. So that is my story so far. So this is precious, very tough to grow this. This is brown shimeji. This is the shiitake that I started with. And I think as a grower, right, you are never perfect. Even after doing this from 7 years, I feel I need to improve how I grow the mushrooms. So this is shiitake. This is one of my favorite mushrooms. This is an interesting variety that we introduced to India called Piopino. It's there in European market. This is white shimeji. These are our oysters. This is elm oyster. This one is a medicinal mushroom, lion's mane we grow. Yes. And this is eringi. We have even made, vegan rings that resemble squids with it, sometimes on and off for people who have stopped eating non-veg as meat substitute. So I think this has a lot of potential as vegan meat. This is a beautiful mushroom, pink oyster. Very tasty. So these are some of the mushrooms we